So what we're gonna do is, first of all, your setup is you're gonna use the freezer paper.
Okay.
So I like this.
Freezer paper. Tell us why freezer paper.
Okay, first of all, I like that it adds the stability while you're cutting.
Okay.
So it gives you a better cut on your circles.
Makes sense, yeah.
But then you just are gonna take this, peel it off, and now I just have my fabric.
You know what, I love that. That's one of the great things about freezer paper is it doesn't leave any sticky residue, and like you said, it gives more stability to the fabric as you're cutting.
Yeah.
Love that.
So then I'm just gonna take it and I'm basically gonna make a bullseye. Okay, I might use my sewing scissors on it.
You know what, I totally would.
I have my B grade sewing scissors. My B grade ones.
Okay, all right.
So not my sharpest ones, but my next ones, and I'll just cut through it. And I rough cut out the first time, and then this is obviously
you kind of finesse it.
Yeah, I finesse it, and you know, then when you use it the next time, you just iron it on, and you're good to go. You don't have to. You can use it like.
You can reuse it.
You can reuse it again
and
again and again. And this pattern does make 2 Bs.
Okay.
To be or not to be.
Okay. Oh boy, we're bad today. We're bad. So how many circles are we cutting total?
Okay, we're doing 6.
Okay.
And we're just gonna alternate them. And then when you get them all done, what you're going to do is you're just going to do a stitch. Well, first of all, I glued them on there. And I just took a little bit of my glue stick and just did a little, because it just needs to hold it for a minute. So, okay. So I've got it there. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a stitch around it. Now you can use, there's some really cute decorative stitches.
Oh yeah.
Like I have one that kind of will make it look like a hexie.
Okay.
But I wanted it to look like a fuzzy bee bum.
A fuzzy bee bum.
Yes, I did not write that in the pattern. You'll have to pencil that in later.
This is why you watch 3 Things Live.
It is, because then you know you want a fuzzy bee bum stitch there.
Never would have thought of that, but I'm so glad to have known. Yes.
Okay. So I'm just going to take it over to the machine, and I just do a zigzag stitch, and you might want it a little bit tighter than normal. Okay. And you're just going to stitch right between the black and the yellow, and you'll do that on all of this. Now
we're supposed to take all of these off, right?
All of them off.
Okay,
all right. You want them all off.
That's really making me nervous here, Sherry. All right. Okay. All right. We don't want to sew through the paper.
No.
All right. Okay.
So there we go.
Phew, I feel better.
So it looks like a target.
Okay. I like it.
So, and one thing when you're sewing it that I will say is, like you have your needle here and you're sewing through it, is that it's easier instead of trying to turn it from here, if you'll put pressure here.
Oh, this is one of your favorite tips.
I know, you guys.
It works here too.
Yeah, so what it's gonna do is it's gonna kind of hold it from going through those feed dogs, and your pressure is here. And if you find the sweet spot, you can put one finger down.
I know, it's something else.
But it is a little tricky.
Yeah.
So, but just put it over here, and you'll be able to actually control that going under your needle and put it right where you want it to.
I learned that from you.
I know.
Yeah, it's a great tip.
It is a great little tip. So when you get that all done, you've got your little fuzzy bee bum created. You're gonna just cut this right in half.
Okay.
Okay. So that takes us. Yep, that takes us to here. So we've got this, and you'll have 2 of them, right? So we have this. Yeah.
All right.
So you'll have 2. We'll take it, and then you're just going to fold it in half. And this. I folded this in just because when I am getting ready to tighten it, it makes it better.
Oh, okay.
So we're going to take this. We're
and
going
do
to
you
go
take
like
it to the sewing machine?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. And you're going to just stitch right along there.
Oh, I see.
So this one's turned.
Oh my goodness.
And we just did a stitch right there.
Okay.
So, and I will say when you poke it out, because you want a stinger there, I would trim it and then just poke as good as you can.
Okay.
So
poke it out. Yep. Okay, like a stinger.
Like a stinger.
Okay.
And then you're going to stitch around it. And I would recommend on this.
Okay, whoa. When you say stitch around it, we're talking
Stitch.
hand stitch, right?
Yes.
Okay, all right. I want to make sure.
You could do it on your machine, but it's easier
You
to
would
do
have
it.
to have a large basting stitch,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
But we're just going to go needle and thread to pull it. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
And I would recommend if you have quilting thread or button thread that you use that, because that's just going to let you pull it a little bit tighter.
You want to pull it very tight, and you don't want the thread to break.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
I like it.
Okay, so once we're at this point, it's time to fill it.
Fun.
Fun.
Yes.
So inside of your little strawberry,
okay.
you could have different options in there. You could have the Emery sand.
Are you sure it's not pepper?
It's not pepper.
Okay. There we
Then
go.
you'd have a sneezy bee.
Yes, you would.
Yes.
Sneezy bee would not be good. Okay, there we go. And
This is the walnut litter.
walnut litter. Okay. So we've got 2 choices here. And why do you prefer one over the other?
Well, they both are going to work about the same as far as sharpening your needles. But I will tell you, let's put your hands up here.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
So there's one, and here's the other one.
Oh,
What do you notice?
one is heavier.
It's quite a bit heavier.
It is heavier. This one must have the emery in it.
It does.
Oh, phew! I got the answer right. Okay,
You passed.
Yes, I passed.
You got a B+.
Guys, we are here all day long. Just we're here for it. Okay, so all right.
So
this is
it is a little bit heavier, and I like how
that.
it sits
Yeah.
around my area because it has more of a statement sit. I don't know what you would call that, but it just stayed put. And so I do like the Emery better. We have sold it before. Someone is asking, we've sold it before. We'll have to see if we can get that in again because
this is cool.
That is kind of my preference, I think,
like that.
on this project, but both will work fine.
Right. The walnut shells work great too.
Yeah.
But definitely the emery is a little bit heavier.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
I like that.
A little bit more substantial.
Okay.
When you're working with them, they are going to get all over. So if you don't do it like right over your sewing machine.
Oh, ooh.
Because it's just that grit.
Oh yeah,
So
that would not be good. Okay, so maybe like create a little funnel.
my friend told me.
Yes, I'm sure.
My friend told me that she needs to clean her sewing room now because it's got this grit going on. So don't do that. Learn.
Okay.
Learn. So, okay.
Got it.
So once you've got that in there, you're just going to pull it tight.
Okay.
So, and I just did a knot on this side so that I can actually pull it from both sides.
Okay.
You put your emery or your stuff in there and you're going to pull it tight. And then you're just going to do your wings on there.
Yeah.
Okay. And when I put them on, I just hot glued them.
Okay, I like that. I'm
Because
here for that.
It's super easy.
Absolutely. What did you use? Have felt?
I used felt.
Okay.
Because it's easy. And it's also a great little place if you want to put your clips on there. You have
your clips.
You
your
do
little
have-
clippies.
Yeah, you do have a little place for a few
Oh my
clips.
goodness. Okay, let's open up this drawer. I gotta find some clippies. Yep, here we go. That's cute, Sherry. Let's see.
So clippy them on there.
Oh, you guys, look at that. Okay, everyone in your quilt group is gonna want one of these. Oh my goodness, that is absolutely adorable. Okay, so you're going to put the little clippies on there if you want. We're going to place our pins in there if you want. I'm assuming you did the head the same exact way?
I did, and I chose, because I wanted this to sit kind of flat, I chose to stuff my head with just a little polyfill.
Okay.
So you
didn't do it with this.
I didn't. It
Emery.
also gives you another nice little place just to stick some pins if you want in there. So
sure.
This one we can stick it in there.
So we just took a circle, kind of like a yo-yo.
Yeah.
Really?
It is.
Okay.
We're going to stick it in there. And then you're just going to pull it.
Oh, I love that. Oh my goodness, how fun is this?
Super easy, and you get 2.
And you get 2.
It's like getting a freebie.